Welcome. This is your space to soften, to breathe, to come home to yourself. There is nothing to do here. Just be. If it feels good now, gently close your eyes and take a slow, easy breath in and a gentle breath out. One more breath together. Inhale. Exhale. Let yourself settle. Let the body rest. Let the nervous system exhale. You may have been carrying more than you realized. This is the moment to release what no longer needs to stay. Now, imagine a soft violet-blue light descending from above. It holds the resonance of Arcturian healing. Calm, clear, intelligent. This light meets the top of your head and gently begins to pour through you. It holds no pressure, no urgency, only restoration, only peace. As it flows through your head, your face, your throat, feel everything begin to slow. This is your return to balance, to center. The light continues through your chest, down your arms, into your hands. Let it clear the tension. Let it soften what has been tight. Let it fill what has been empty. Now through your torso, your hips, your legs, down into the soles of your feet. You are held. Breathe gently. This light is not outside of you. It is your natural state. remembered. It simply resonates with what is already whole within you. In this moment, you are not broken. You are recalibrating. Let that be enough. There is nothing to solve, no outcome to manifest. Just breath and restoration. If thoughts come, that's okay. Let them float past like clouds. Feel the warmth now. Not just around you, but within you. Your body knows how to heal. Your energy knows how to reset. You are safe to rest. Safe to open. Safe to feel whole. Together, let's take one more deep breath. Inhale. And exhale slowly. Gently begin to bring your awareness back. Notice the weight of your body. Notice the support beneath you. If your eyes were closed, let them open softly now. There is no rush. Bring with you the ease you just remembered. You are whole. You are enough. And the healing continues even now.